Welcome back to Outback Polaks. We are back in Malbork, my home city, with my not so good, beautiful cousins, beautiful cousins.
He was that close to
Yeah. Malvina and Magda. We're gonna explore Malbork. We're gonna have Zapikanki, świderki, tak?
Lody, ice cream.
And Emma, last time she was in my videos, she was this little. I'm gonna put in the video when she was like, The corn. Emma, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Tap on it. It's very cool.
Emma, what should people do?
Potato.
Yeah, subscribe, like and share, right? No, teraz nie. Because remember, what should people do? Subscribe, like and share.
Yeah.
Anyway, welcome back to Malbork. I'm so happy to be here. Can't wait to explore this beautiful little city. Stay with us. Deliciousness.
Guys, we Playboy.
Wow. How is it?
With regards from Playboy, yeah? From model.
Jakie ma smakuje? Dobre? O, pokaż tak.
Tylko ketchup trochę.
Ketchup?
No, pikantny wziąłem, przepraszam.
Musiało być.
Ale potem lody. To lody są najlepsze.
Lody nas ostudzą.
Mark, how is it? Don't say needs anchovies. You'll get stabbed.
No, it's good.
All right, if you're ever in Poland and you want to have a takeaway meal, a normal, good Polish takeaway meal, you have to have a Zapikanka right in here. Zapikanka is the most famous Polish takeaway meal. They'll tell you kebabs and stuff like that, and fancy Zapikanka. Na zdrowie! Na zdrowie! And they say, you know, you got to put meat on it and fancy cheese. No, Zapikanka has to be bread, mushrooms, cheese,
And ketchup.
pikantny ketchup.
Okay.
That's it.
And anchovies.
And no. And if anyone says anything else, it's a no. That's it.
It's not Zapikanka.
That's the traditional stuff that we used to come to Malbork once a month to have. And it's cheap. 13 zloty for a large one. No, 16 zloty for a large one, which
You
is...
took large ones for us.
Yeah. You need to eat. 4th breakfast. Come on.
Can we take it
Anyway.
away? Yeah, we'll take it away.
This is the good stuff. This is the shizniz. Best takeaway meal in Poland.
Powiedz nam, Paweł, jak Ci smakuje ta nasza polska zapikanka?
Zajebista.
Okej, a co
O,
najbardziej,
przepraszam.
a co najbardziej w niej lubisz?
Memories.
Memories. That's a treasure.
But it doesn't taste like it used to taste. I'll tell you that.
Okay. Because you're older. Okay.
Wanna swap with me? To the camera.
Second best snack in Poland is świderki, traditional Polish ice cream.
Moski?
The same one?
Same one. Proszę.
Sam?
No.
Want some?
Yes, but I'll have my own. I want a bigger one than you. That's what she said.
If you have complex.
I'm just comparing sizes.
Wiesz, bo był jeszcze dłuższy.
Mojego nie jest.
Good.
A, nie zmieści się pod maszyną.
O, ja.
Paweł nie zmieści się pod maszyną, wiesz?
Ale zrobi pan
Ale ja się zmieszczę.
obiektywem będzie dużo.
Dobra.
Kręci pan
Proszę pani, ja 3 lata z Australii czekam na świderka.
O matko,
No.
na 2 ręce.
I niech pan
Proszę.
teraz wytłumaczy.
Ja wiadro dam pani, ja wiadro dam.
Biały, daj.
Mieszamy. We're gonna try to get the biggest one. Here we go. Here we go. Idzie. Oh, fantastycznie. Dziękujemy. This is satisfaction guaranteed. No. So good. Best ice cream in the world. Good idea, Malvina.
Oh, okay.
So good. We've been here for a week, but I can feel my stomach expanding.
I think we need to walk a bit more.
But a lot. We need to walk a lot. Yeah, get rid of this excess weight. But this is, look at this weather. Glorious weather. This is Queensland weather without the humidity. Because you're in the shade, it's really lovely actually. Now we're off to the castle. Let's go check out the castle. This is the Malbork castle, the largest castle in the world. It was run by the Crusaders. Bless them, lovely people. I saw this place being rebuilt and repainted. I've done lots of vlogs here. I'll put the links there. I'm going to put the drone up as well because you got to see this place. It's amazing. But we're stopping here where they sell classic night mead, smoked cheeses, smoked hams, more food. Oh, we'll definitely have a beer. It's time for a beer.
Wszystko okej?
Nie oblałem się.
Ale niech pan powie, to jest bardziej coś na zasadzie wina?
No, to zrobi się identycznie.
No, it is. But in case you don't want to watch the vlog with the castles, this place was bombed the crap out of during World War II. Basically, the Germans set themselves up a little base over here. The Russians told them to get out, they wouldn't, so they just bombed the hell out of it. You can still see a lot of the marks on the towers where the bombs landed. And when I was young, they actually were rebuilding this castle and repainting it and everything like that. So I actually saw a lot of the broken parts here because it took very many years to fix this and a lot of money, obviously. You can see where the damage was from the bombs.
Once you're in, it's fine.
Trzymam trochę.
I promise. I was a bad boy. Spank me. I promise it wasn't me. Yes, it was.
Fajnie.
Już fajne!
Już fajnie.
Może być po niemiecku też świniu.
Ale nie patrz mi na tyłek, Magda. O!
Jest 18 nocy.
Słyszałam.
Zaraz próbnę z
Nie
farszem.
ciśnij go.
Czekaj, teraz mi zrób zdjęcie.
Uciskasz go.
Take a photo.
Okej, piwo time. Na zdrowie.
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 Get a dog up here.
Zdrowie, Emcia.
Słuchaj,
Cip.
Amber. Amber źle się kojarzy z
Polish beer. So good.
Amber Gold, nie?